You can score a perfect 100 on quant. You can absolutely crush the English section. But if you stumble on a 15-minute computer test at the very end of Tier II, your entire SSC CGL application stops right there. The exam board calls this the Computer Knowledge Test. It is a qualifying paper, but it is the final barrier for those aiming for posts like Assistant Section Officer in the CSS or the Ministry of External Affairs. Most candidates attempt to brute force a syllabus filled with technical jargon, but under the stress of the real exam, that kind of memorization often fails. Surviving this section isn't about becoming an IT expert. It is about training your brain for instant recognition so you don't waste seconds doubting your answers. Instead of traditional rote learning, we are going to rebuild how you visualize this data. Word associations for networking protocols, physical mapping for keyboard shortcuts, and character-based traits for malware. These methods are designed to ensure you recognize the correct answer the moment it hits the screen. Let's start with Internet protocols. In a multiple-choice format, these terms are designed to look nearly identical. Take SMTP. Instead of recalling Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, think of the action, send mail to people. Now look at POP. Anchor it to the phrase pull out post. This connects the acronym to receiving mail from an inbox. For DNS, rebranded as a digital number search. Its function is to look up a website name and map it to a numeric IP address. Using these action-oriented phrases eliminates the confusion caused by similar-sounding technical terms. This table lists some of the most common Microsoft Word shortcuts. Memorizing a list like this is inefficient. Instead, we use action mapping to change how you view the raw data. For Ctrl+P, associate the letter P with paper. You are physically putting the document on a sheet of paper. For Ctrl+Z, visualize the letter Z as a zigzag back, a sharp step in reverse to undo your last move. For Shift+F3, which changes text case, conceptualize the word shift as physically shifting the size of the characters on the page. This turns abstract commands into tangible movements, helping you stay decisive during the 15-minute test. Cybersecurity is where many candidates lose marks by mixing up malware behaviors. Think of a computer virus like a biological illness. It requires a human action, a click or a cough, to attach to a host and spread. A worm is different. It wiggles across networks on its own, needing no human help to replicate and move. A Trojan acts as a deceptive gift. It looks like legitimate software, but once you let it in, it provides a backdoor for an attacker. Phishing is casting a line for a single target with a fake email. Farming is building a fake farm, a deceptive site designed to redirect entire streams of traffic. When these threats have physical traits, the correct answer stands out immediately. In Tier II, you have exactly 15 minutes to answer 20 questions. You do not have time to second-guess your logic. Instead, you only have time to react. When you build these associations, you aren't trying to recall textbook paragraphs. You are simply matching the question to a mental picture. This strategy focuses your energy on the high-yield topics that appear most frequently on the exam. Download the reference sheet below with these associations and test your speed on the pinned question in the comments.